Let's begin by taking a look at the starter project we'll use for the course. The app is named RWDC 2018 and shows some great photos taken from the recent RW DevCon conference in April 2018. The app also lets you play some RayWenderlich.com related music. We'll use the app to download files, write them to device storage, and play music while the app is in the background. Each of these tasks is best done using background processing, and in the course we'll survey the various ways to do so. We open up the starter project from the course downloads in Android Studio 3.1.2 or later. Once the Gradle build and indexing are complete, we go ahead and build and run the starter project. The app has bottom navigation with 2 tabs. The first tab will show a banner image from the conference at the top and a grid of conference photos at the bottom in a recycler view. The second tab has buttons that will let us download a song file and then play and stop the song. We'll work on the Photos tab in Part 1 and 2 of the course and switch to the Song tab in Part 3. Going to Android Studio, you see that the top-level packages are named App, Model, Repository, and UI. The app package contains a number of classes that apply across the app and includes 2 utility classes, one for the Photos tab and one for the Songs tab. Photos utils contains a Kotlin object with functions that we'll use to pull down a photo data JSON file over the network, write the file to device storage, and parse the data in the file. Song utils similarly contains functions we'll use to download a song file and save it to storage. The model package contains one small data class that describes the contents of the photo data we'll download. The repository package contains a repository interface that will call from our UI classes, and a concrete implementation named Photos repository that uses the architecture component live data to supply photo and banner data for the Photos tab. We have a live data screencast you can check out if you're new to using live data. In the UI package, there's a subpackage for our main activity and also subpackages for the Photos and Song tabs. Each tab uses a fragment, and the Photos tab uses an architecture component view model to interact with the repository. We also have a view model screencast you can check out if you're new to using view model. If you open up Photos fragment or Song fragment, you'll see we're using Kotlin Android extensions to do view binding to the views in our XML files. Occasionally, you may need to choose Build Clean Project to clear out any erroneous errors the compiler is reporting with those view references. Building and running the app should also clear these errors.